Hello, my name is J.R. Morgan and I'm here with the Black Cultural Initiative. I'm the gardening instructor, and what we're doing is focusing on educating our community on being more sustainable and being able to grow food in their own backyard. Here we have some images of the garden space at the Black Cultural Initiative. There was already a garden here, but as a group, we chose to extend the garden, and we did that together. We planted together, we maintained the garden together, we learned a lot here and had some really good experiences.
Hi everyone, my name is Cami Balagan. I'm one of the participants in the gardening class that's hosted by the Black Cultural Initiative for the Food for the Soul program, and it's been really great. I've been coming here for a few weeks. I've also had my daughter here, and it's been a great way to learn more about gardening and also to get my kids to eat more veggies. Thank you.
And our hard work paid off. The garden ended up being beautiful. We had an abundance of food that we got to share with each other. We shared with the community. We had melons, cucumbers, zucchini, strawberries, kale, collards, a lot of tomatoes, herbs. We planted some perennials in the wintertime. And we're gonna just continue to grow this with each other and with our community.
We have various classes that we offer: financial literacy, nutrition, cooking, and gardening classes. Come on down to learn more about what we are up to. Thanks.